Hello everyone, you are watching Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. Today we can discuss add the elements of an array. In array, some elements is that we need to add each element. We need to add. How to do that one? We can start that one. Right click, create class. First we can create class, add elements. Add elements. Here I will write main method. First I will declare integer variable. Suppose I will take this one only. Take this values only. Now I will declare on some value is equal to 0. Now I will write the one for loop. If int num colon inr, I will write sum plus equal to num. To display this one, what will display here? Add the elements in array. Some value. Now we can check what is the output of this one. 44. See, so the total elements is 44. You can write this way. This way you can write and you can add the sum of the elements. This is add the elements of an array. Add the elements in of an array. This is one of the small program. Thank you for watching Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. Could you please support and subscribe my channel? We will meet next video. Thank you for watching.